Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a bit of squishy. It's a kick squishy. The reason I'm doing it on this one is because I did an earlier video. I didn't really plan on making it. So we're going to be doing this squishy. So we're going to be seeing what's inside this squishy. So let's hope this doesn't turn out as a gone wrong video, because I hate those. So let me grab my scissors. I'm going to cut your face off. No. So let me take a huge hack at it. Dang it, I'm gonna need to put you down here for a second. Hold up. Come on. It's being a little stubborn. Hold up, guys. Wait. Hold up. Wait. Is this seriously? Oh my god. Guys, look at this. There is nothing inside this squishy. There's only like foam. Looks like this is a gone wrong video. Dang it. Crap. So. At least I can still like squish it, but as long as my mom doesn't find out. My gosh. So here's the part that I cut off. See? There you go. The whole squishy now. It's so cute, but anyways, boom. Okay, so that's what's inside the squishy. It looks like it didn't even need that bowl. Well, okay, so that's pretty much it. It's not really too interesting. You guys were expecting like slime to come out of it or something, but there's this squishy. See, foam, foam. Okay, so that's it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to watch some of my other videos. I will be making more. I've only got 3 right now. The first 2 are absolutely terrible. Oh my gosh. And I will be making more throughout the week. So, thanks guys. Bye.